Welcome to Canvas Grades and SpeedGrader. In this portion, we will be discussing Gradebook viewing and filtering options. The View menu allows you to filter and sort the gradebook according to several viewing options. Arrange By arranges the columns by default, assignment name, due date, points, or module. Filters allows for you to filter columns by type, whether that is through assignment groups or through modules. Statuses allows for you to view and change the color for grading status, meaning late, missing, resubmitted, dropped, and excused work. To change the color, simply select the pencil icon and it will allow for you to select a different color or put in a hex code and select Apply. Once you've completed your changes, select Done and it will reflect. Additionally, there's also a columns option where you can choose to show or hide the notes column, unpublished assignments column, and split student names. The Notes column allows for you to showcase a column in the gradebook to keep track of extra information for your course per student, such as extra student information or general notes. The Notes column is not visible to students. This is solely for you. The Unpublished Assignments option allows for you to toggle on and off whether you would like unpublished assignments to show up within the gradebook. Additionally, you can further filter your gradebook by searching by student name under the Student Names drop-down menu, where it will showcase all of the students in your course, or you can simply type in a name. Or you can search by assignment, which again, from the drop-down menu, will showcase all of your assignments, or you can simply type one into the search bar. By default, the gradebook shows all assignments. To search for assignments, enter an assignment name in the Search Assignment field. The gradebook automatically filters results as you type. The Search Assignments field allows multiple assignment names to be filtered at the same time. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit clt.odu.edu.